How about a truck with a little muscle here at Unique Specialty and Classics? This one definitely has it. Listen to this. 2023 Ford F-150 Supercrew 4x4, a one owner, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile truck, 48,298 miles. It's a Cryptic Customs by Apple Auto, so it's got a little conversion done to it, and underneath the hood is where the goodies are at. Supercharged 5-liter automatic with overdrive 10-speed transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, heat blows hot, carbonized gray metallic, absolutely beautiful. Interior's been converted to black cat skin interior, and we're going to get to that here in just a little bit. First of all, take a look at this grille, headlights. Paint in this truck shows well. Basically, the cab forward, so from the second row doors up to the grille, does have the clear protective coating. You can't even see it. If you get your fingernail, you can just feel on the edge. So you're not going to have a bunch of rock chips, dings, abrasions, anything like that in the front of this truck. Check out the still pictures. The lights are going to probably flash on and off. I have the keys in my pocket for getting in and out when we're going to start it and let you hear it run. All right, still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Those are 20-inch, 6-spoke, dark alloy wheels. If you'd like to see exactly how this was equipped from Ford, a copy of the window sticker is in with the still pictures. So go ahead and take a look through those still pictures. You can see the truck's also been lowered, has a beautiful stance to it, running boards. Free of any major nicks, dings, scratches up and down the passenger side here. As far as interior, bucket seat, center console. And I'll get into some of the exact options that are on that window sticker here in just a bit. As you can see, bed cover, foldable. A few items that will go along with this. There's your factory floor mats. There's also some WeatherTech front floor mats and this full second row floor mat, and there's also Ford Performance ones in it right now. So you get your variety of floor mats that are going to come along with this. All right, so some of the options on this truck, we got into a couple of the aftermarket items that were done on this by Cryptic Customs. This is an XLT series package. It does have the trailer tow package you just saw on the rear of the truck right down there. Integrated trailer brake. I mentioned the 20-inch wheels. Does have the extended range fuel tank. Bed utility package. 360-degree camera. That XLT Sport package. Technician that looked at this in our service department made a few notes on it, said the truck drives out absolutely great. A lot of performance. Brakes are 85% in the front and rear. Tires are date coded 2023. And it does have a Borla catback exhaust to it, and you're going to get to hear it run. We're going to take a peek underneath the hood, and if you stick around to the very end, yes, Jason's going to take you for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. And as you can see, up and down this driver's side, also really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. That paint being protected as it is, it shows very well. If you like Ford trucks, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what we may have come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. All right, key fobs in my pockets. I needed to unlock the doors here so we can check this out. Beautiful interior. Just wanted to let you have a peek in the rear seating area. See, it's like new. Bang & Olufsen stereo system. Of course, all your monitor amenities with your power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Mentioned the cat skin. Covered seats. Very nicely done. There's a quality seat cover too, of course. All the steering wheel controls, tilt column, adjustable pedals. Talked about the trailering, integrated brake in there. You do have where you can tap shift this in a manual mode as far as the 10-speed automatic transmission. There's your exact miles, 48,298. We'll close that door, and you can see there's no service engine, check engine, no service lights, anything like that on. It's turnkey, ready to go. Of course, electronic dual climate control. Here would be your four-wheel drive modes, trailer braking, monster touchscreen. Dash looks good.
Learn about events and musicians who have shaped the sound and soul of modern music. Weekday mornings at 7:30 during Music History on the Morning Show.
And I'm sure you heard that bark. Heard that bark at startup. We got a little rumble out of this one. And it will definitely get up and go with that supercharged 5-liter underneath the hood. Nice exhaust note to this one. Looks like we have the power slider on the rear. Glass, it appears also, I believe. I've not played around with that. Not real familiar with the Fords. Guess what that is? Alright, out about engine bay. Doesn't really appear this thing's been driven in much for inclement weather. Look how clean that hood liner is. And engine bay. There it is. Supercharger pulley, as you can see. A root style blower. Sounds good and looks good underneath there. You want to have some fun? This truck's got some performance, no doubt about that. And Carfax shows one owner, no accidents indicated, actual miles. Good looking 2023 Ford F-150 Supercrew 4x4. Some tasteful modifications done to it. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And remember, copy that window sticker in with the still pictures. You want to see exactly how it was equipped from the factory, and obviously some aftermarket done to it too. Beautiful truck.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're riding in a 2023 Ford F-150. It's not exactly stock, it's been customized by Cryptic Customs. A little bit more throaty exhaust for one. Feels like maybe a little more get up and go. Lovely exhaust. Now, this is an automatic with a shifter right here on the center console. Look at that large screen. The touch of a fingertip, you get anything you want. Chili peppers, sounding good. The tachometer working as it should, speedometer working as well. The oil pressure right in the middle of the gauge, as is the temperature, as is the fuel gauge. They're all right in the middle, right where you want them. All the controls on the steering wheel that you're looking for, power adjustable. Seating, power windows, loaded up. This truck, a little more performance. Nice smooth brakes. Of course, excellent power steering as well. Still a low mileage truck and ready to perform. Corners much better than it did originally. Just want to rev that up to listen to it. It sounds so good. Check out all the pictures of this 23 F-150 at uniqueclassiccars.com.